Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest in innovative products. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to the Wybot WY3312 Robotic Pool Cleaner, a cutting-edge solution for maintaining a sparkling clean pool with minimal effort. The Wybot WY3312 Robotic Pool Cleaner is a game-changer in pool maintenance. In this video, we'll dive into the key features and benefits of this remarkable device, so you can spend more time enjoying your pool and less time cleaning it. Specifications: efficient cleaning. The WY3312 is designed for maximum efficiency. Equipped with advanced algorithms, it navigates your pool with precision, covering every inch to ensure a thorough clean. Dual brushes. This robotic pool cleaner features dual scrubbing brushes that dislodge dirt, debris, and algae from your pool surfaces. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and enjoy a pristine pool. Easy to use. Operating the WY3312 is a breeze. Simply plug it in, drop it into your pool, and let it work its magic. No complex setup or installation required. Smart navigation. Thanks to its intelligent navigation system, the WY3312 can efficiently maneuver around obstacles and ensure it cleans your entire pool, including walls and waterline. Large capacity filter. The built-in filter can hold a substantial amount of debris, extending the time between cleanings. It's easy to empty and clean, making maintenance hassle-free. Energy efficient. The WY3312 is designed with energy efficiency in mind. It consumes minimal power, helping you save on energy costs while keeping your pool spotless. Key benefits: time saver. With the WY3312, you won't have to manually clean your pool, saving you hours of laborious work. Relax and let the robot do the cleaning. Cost efficient. By maintaining your pool regularly, you can extend the life of your pool equipment and reduce the need for costly repairs. Crystal clear water. Enjoy crystal clear water that's free from debris and contaminants, creating a safer and more enjoyable swimming experience. Satisfaction guarantee. The WY3312 comes with a satisfaction guarantee, ensuring you're delighted with your investment in a cleaner, healthier pool. In conclusion, the Wybot WY3312 Robotic Pool Cleaner is a must-have for pool owners who value a clean, well-maintained pool. It's efficient, easy to use, and cost-effective. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual pool cleaning and embrace the convenience of a robotic solution. To learn more about the Wybot WY3312 Robotic Pool Cleaner and make it a part of your pool maintenance routine, click the link below. Thank you for joining us in this overview of the Wybot WY3312 Robotic Pool Cleaner. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and sharing it with other pool owners looking to simplify their pool maintenance. Stay tuned for more innovative product insights on our channel.